Hello guys, what's up? This is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video, and in this video we will talk about Stable 1, see the progress, how is it going, and it's going pretty well. So let's start. Alright guys, so we are back. We are back. Let's take a look at it. So, first of all, Stable 1 is a decentralized application dapp, a DeFi dapp on MATIC network, on Polygon Network. Okay, you can earn 7% daily here for 30 days, but there is a reinvestment rule, and you have to reinvest 21% every day. If you withdraw, it will be reinvested anyway, and this is good for the balance, it's good for the stability, because it is a stable one, right? First of all, let's take a quick look at the contract. Okay, so the total invested amount, like you can see in the title, is 2.38 MATIC. I did 2.4 because it will be 2.4 very soon. So $2.4 million in MATIC invested, and MATIC is 1.5 million, over 1.5 million MATIC totally invested. Right now, what is important for us is the contract balance. So we have 867,000 MATIC on the balance, more or less. It equals to $1.36 million on balance. So we are still stable here. The first version was one of the biggest dapp on MATIC. It was very successful, although it had some issues. They did the version 2 which doesn't have any issues. Okay, it's corrected. They corrected everything, but we will also take a look at the audit and the white paper to see exactly how it works. Okay, and to make sure that everything is cool. I strongly advise you to join their Telegram and Discord if you have any questions, and just to see that they have a nice community there. So if we go to the contract, I actually have a link here. Always check the contract, guys. Oh, you see how it changed? It's still, the balance is still going up. I was just refreshing it a few minutes ago, and a couple of thousands, even 10,000 more came to the balance. And you need to know that if the balance is going up, that means a lot of people are investing. Some people are withdrawing, and when it's still going up, that's good, right? So the contract is verified, it's audited as well. We'll take a look at the audit. It has been roughly 10 days since this thing started, and it's been doing really good for me personally, and I can see a lot of action here, a lot of people going in still. Okay, let's take a look at the white paper. Just to see the basics, discuss it. So the minimum amount you can invest is 0.05 MATIC, so almost nothing, guys. It's available for everyone. You can just do a test amount if you want, so even small amounts you can invest here. The minimum withdrawal amount is 0.02 MATIC, so even if you go with 1 MATIC, you'll be able to withdraw daily. I mean, you have to pay fees and everything, but it's possible if you want to do that. There is no maximum capped amount. Sorry, I need to drink something. There is no maximum capped amount, which means you are able to invest any amount above 0.05 MATIC. The ROI is 7% daily for 30 days, but actually, if you count reinvestment, we'll do it on the calculator, it will be a little bit different. It will be actually more after some time than 210% ROI that you normally get without the reinvestment rule. 10% is imposed on every investment and 6% on reinvestment. So you're paying fees here for the investment and reinvestment. 21% is auto-reinvested every day, or you can withdraw and you'll reinvest 25% anyway. So that's how it works. It's very good for the stability. Also the fees, the auto reinvestment rules, also you can treat it like anti-whale measures. So yeah, I really like that. And that's why the previous version was successful, and this one will be too, is already successful. Okay, so let's uh, let's take a look at the referral rewards. So they have a 5-level system, so it's very good for team builders, people who can refer. Is 53.15 1.5%, 0.5%, and 0.5% on level 5. So 5% from directly referred investors. That's like a standard, but you have a lot from level 2. So if you get like a leader or person who will recommend, then you'll be getting 3% from the people this person who went under you, he will recommend. So that's really good. Okay, you can, to be able to use it, just use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. I personally suggest Token Pocket. For me, is the best mobile wallet on the market. You will have to add MATIC to your MetaMask. It's gonna be on Trust Wallet and Token Pocket immediately, but in order to be able to use it on MetaMask, you need to add new RPC. But you can do it automatically on chainlist.org. It's very simple. Just connect your wallet and it will automatically add Polygon Network if you search for it. Very simple, guys. So for it to work, you will need to open, log into your MetaMask. Of course, remember about saving your private key and seed words so nobody can get it. That's pretty crucial. And then you'll go to settings. Yeah, you'll change networks, you add a new network, you have all instructions here basically, so you don't have to look anywhere for it. Let's take a look at the audit. So there was this loop issue in the last version. This one is clean from it. The owner's fees are, like I said, 10% for reinvest and 6%, 10% for invest and 6% for invest. That goes to the owners. Of course, they are doing this for money and they need to earn too. But the contract is audited, so they cannot take the balance. They cannot change the contract. But they will get fees for every investment. So they want this to work as long as it can, and they are doing constant marketing, working with a lot of top YouTubers, and I'm pretty sure that's basically crucial in these things for these things to be able to work. Okay, that is why I'm here, guys. So yeah, all the everything here we already mentioned, so you can read the remember, this is not a financial advice, guys. Always do your own research, check everything for yourself. Don't trust anybody. Trust yourself. That's the best you can do. Okay, so let's go back to the main page. I want to add a little bit. I will add, let's see how much MATIC do I have. There are some there is some MATIC there from other systems, so I can use it here. It's called diversification, which I'm, as you can see from my channel, I'm in a lot of dapps, and this is what I do. So I will put 60 more MATIC here. It should give me around yeah, because you'll see here, oh, one more important thing, you can only withdraw once every 24 hours. So I already withdrawn today, just like 2 hours ago, and it added to my total reinvest. I started with 100 MATIC. Look, I already have 124, so I'm earning more every day. That's what I like, and I haven't done anything. I just withdrew, and that's all you have to do. Withdraw, and you'll be compounding a little bit. You'll be your deposit will be higher, and you'll earn more every day. Already withdrawn 53 MATIC, so maybe let's add 76. It will give me a round number of 200 MATIC invested. Of course, after every withdrawal, it will be more and more and more. So let's do it, guys. Now we just have to watch for the network not to be clogged, because it is. And what I usually do I go with aggressive, okay, and then I'm sure it will go through. There were some problems when the network is congested. You might wait a little while for your deposit to go in. The same goes with the withdraw. I withdraw today with the standard settings. It went through, but just uh, if you want to be sure, just use aggressive. The fees are really low. I mean, that depends on how much you have. If you're going with one MATIC, the fees will hurt you. But if you're going with, I don't know, 50, 100, it shouldn't be a problem. As you can see, it takes a little time. There, yeah, a lot of networks are congested. Phantom is, fuck, I don't even want to mention. Let's wait for it a little bit. In the meanwhile, let's go back to the contract. Let's refresh it. Just, yeah, it will change. Some people will withdraw. You'll see the pending transactions here. One is probably mine. Or I did 3. No, reinvest. No, this is just a reinvest. Maybe someone did 3 reinvest, whatever. So you can go to the contract. You can read the code if you can. I mean, you can try to understand it. Everything is public here, so nothing is hidden. So that's something that I like. You can see internal transactions here, so you'll see some MATIC, but here you'll see people going in. Yeah, someone went for 76. Oh, that was actually me. And so it's already. Let's see if it's, yeah, it has been successful. So I should see my MATIC. Oh yeah, we will do a calculator as well. Yeah, now I have 200 MATIC invested and I will earn more every day. So let's see the calculator now. Let's calculate what I can get from 200 MATIC. Okay. So from 200 MATIC, I will have 88 MATIC reinvested during the 30 days. And my final profit after 30 days will be 331 profit, 331 MATIC. So if I take out my initial investment, it will be 131 MATIC. Those will be my profit, but I will still have some MATIC reinvested and it will still earn for me. So that's really good. I mean, I like the systems when they have forced reinvestment. This is what I like, guys. You can also check S-Rocket, which is their token. It's the sale will end in 11 days. They are trying to create a decentralized autonomous organization, the first DeFi one on Polygon chain. So you can read more about it, what they're trying to do here, how they are trying to develop into something bigger. And I like that as well. That makes people feel confident, and that's all it takes, guys, in these things. Remember, everything is risky, so never invest too much. Okay, this is not a financial advice. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon on another video.